The AI revolution is no longer on the horizon. It's already reshaping everything from enterprise workflows to global economic power dynamics. In a bold recent statement, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink declared that AI will be the key driver of productivity and economic transformation for the next decade, urging investors to position early in companies with the infrastructure and scale to lead. Meanwhile, visionaries like Peter Thiel have warned that while AI is powerful, the real winners will be the firms that move beyond hype and deploy AI to solve real-world problems at scale. We're entering the second phase of this transformation, where data control, compute power, and distribution matter far more than generic AI promises. This is not about chasing viral trends. It's about identifying which companies are operationalizing AI deep into their platforms and delivering measurable results in enterprise, consumer, and cloud ecosystems. All of this is happening as inflation cools, rate cuts approach, and capital rotates aggressively into tech. At the same time, governments are pouring billions into AI infrastructure, and corporations are re-architecting workflows to capture the massive efficiency gains AI offers. The question for investors now is not if AI will drive returns, but which companies will lead the charge. In today's video, we'll break down 3 tech giants that are quietly dominating this next phase of AI. These aren't speculative plays or future fantasies. They're category leaders already deploying AI at scale across their ecosystems. If you're building a portfolio for the next decade, these names demand your attention. First on the list is Meta Platforms Inc., ticker symbol META, an AI powerhouse operating at a scale few can rival. While most companies are talking about AI, Meta is deploying it across every layer of its business, turning vision into execution with extraordinary precision. From infrastructure to talent, from product innovation to strategic acquisitions, Meta is building what could become the most comprehensive AI ecosystem in big tech. At the heart of Meta's strategy is its aggressive investment in AI infrastructure. With nearly $46 billion in R&D spending on a trailing 12-month basis, and an additional $29 billion now being raised through debt and private capital to build next-gen data centers, Meta is signaling one thing loud and clear: it's all in on AI. But it's not just about servers and silicon. Meta has been strategically recruiting top talent, including key researchers from OpenAI, and forming elite teams to lead a new wave of AI model development under the leadership of Scale AI's founder Alexander Wang. On the M&A front, Meta continues to move with precision. Its recent $14.3 billion investment in Scale AI and ongoing talks to acquire Play AI, a voice cloning startup, indicate a broader ambition to blend foundational AI with cutting-edge consumer applications. Whether it's embedding AI assistants into smart glasses or launching advanced business messaging tools, Meta is positioning itself to dominate how humans and machines interact across platforms. Financially, Meta is as strong as ever. It boasts expanding profitability, rising EPS, and a balance sheet with over $20 billion in net cash. Despite its massive scale, the company continues to generate double-digit revenue growth and maintain one of the highest free cash flow margins in tech. In short, Meta isn't just participating in the AI revolution, it's helping lead it. For investors looking at long-term exposure to AI across social media, cloud infrastructure, and consumer applications, Meta stands as one of the most compelling stories in the market today. Next up is Alphabet Inc., ticker symbol GOOGL, and make no mistake, this isn't just the Google you know from search. Alphabet is building what may become the most strategically important AI empire in the world, quietly turning every robot, sensor, and Android device into a metered stream of recurring revenue. While other tech giants talk about AI from the cloud, Alphabet is bringing intelligence directly to the edge, unlocking a powerful new growth flywheel that Wall Street is only beginning to understand. At the center of this transformation is Gemini, Alphabet's multimodal AI model now being embedded into everything, from smartphones and Chromebooks to warehouse robotics and surgical devices. But the real magic lies beneath the surface. Alphabet is developing its own custom TPUs, tensor processing units, that allow Gemini to run locally, offline, and at near cloud performance. This unlocks low-latency, cost-efficient AI for both industrial and consumer devices and creates sticky, long-term billing relationships that look a lot like SaaS, but for the physical world. The shift to edge AI is no accident. With energy efficiency, national security, and real-time reliability all under scrutiny, Alphabet's distributed AI approach has found support from governments and regulators alike. Its sovereign cloud partnerships, AI defense initiatives, and on-device inference capabilities position Alphabet as both a commercial and geopolitical AI leader. Financially, Alphabet continues to fire on all cylinders. Cloud revenue surged 28% year over year. YouTube and subscription lines pipelines remain strong, and its fortress-like balance sheet provides unmatched flexibility to fund growth. Most impressive, despite skyrocketing capex to support AI infrastructure, Alphabet posted a 46% jump in net income last quarter. Even as competitors chase the AI trend, Alphabet is busy building the rails. Its strategy is bold, calculated, and grounded in vertical integration, from silicon to software and cloud to the edge. For investors seeking exposure to the next era of intelligent infrastructure and industrial autonomy, Alphabet offers a rare mix of scale, innovation, and staying power. Let's wrap up with Amazon.com Inc., ticker symbol AMZN, arguably the most underestimated AI and robotics powerhouse among the tech giants. While investors have long focused on Amazon's dominance in e-commerce and cloud through AWS, the company is quietly setting the stage for a seismic shift in its business model with two massive frontier bets: Project Kuiper and next-gen warehouse robotics. These aren't just moonshots, they're calculated expansions into trillion-dollar markets that could redefine how Amazon generates value in the next decade. Project Kuiper, Amazon's satellite internet initiative, now has 54 satellites in orbit and plans to launch over 3,200 more. This isn't just about beaming internet to rural areas, it's about building a subscription-based connectivity business that could rival the scale of Prime or AWS. With even modest market share, Kuiper could unlock tens of billions in annual recurring revenue. And the timeline? It's already in motion, with Amazon pledging to launch half of the Kuiper network by mid-2026. Meanwhile, Amazon is rapidly automating its fulfillment centers. Over 750,000 robots already assist in everything from sorting packages to restocking inventory. The company's new agentic AI robots are designed to handle even more complex tasks, potentially saving up to $10 billion a year in logistics costs by 2030. That's not just efficiency, that's margin expansion at scale. Despite enormous capex, Amazon's balance sheet remains rock solid, with over $66 billion in cash and rising operating income powered by AWS and advertising. While near-term free cash flow may take a hit, the long-term runway looks increasingly compelling. Amazon isn't just scaling, it's transforming, beyond retail, beyond cloud, and into AI-driven infrastructure, robotics, and space. For investors who can stomach short-term volatility and appreciate long-term vision, Amazon is building the kind of platform that may define the future of global connectivity and intelligent logistics. As we look ahead to the next chapter of the AI revolution, it's clear that Meta, Alphabet, and Amazon aren't just adapting, they're leading. Each company is building distinct empires powered by AI. Meta through intelligent infrastructure and superintelligence teams, Alphabet with its vertically integrated Gemini ecosystem and edge robotics, and Amazon by launching satellites and automating global logistics. These aren't isolated plays. They're foundational bets on the future of how we work, connect, and compute. While the market watches Nvidia and Microsoft, savvy investors know the real upside may come from the companies quietly embedding AI into everything they touch. If you believe in the long-term power of artificial intelligence, these aren't just tech stocks, they're ground floor entries into the next industrial revolution. Stay focused, stay curious, and remember, the future is being built right now.